What's up, you guys? This is your homeboy Josh back again with another video in Scratch. And for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use emojis in Scratch. So basically, these are going to be two ways. The first one is how to use emojis when you're using it in here, like in this section. So, say for example, it's going to be very easy. Like, we're going to use underscore, then meow. Then once you post that one, it becomes a cat. You could also click in here. So these are, as you can see at the bottom of each emoji, there's like a guide on how to create it manually. So this is the first use or how to use the emoji. The second one is you could actually use it in your project. Like say for example, I put in a block in here and then let's add a comment. So in here, with Scratch add-ons and with the emoji picker for comments, um available, you can now actually add emojis in here. Let me try adding an emoji in here. So as you can see, there's already an emoji in the comments for the blocks. So that's how easy it is to use emojis in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your homeboy Josh of Basic Value, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.